washing up, but might suddenly catch sight of my hip hop nice. The very glad you've got jam in your sam. Oh no, this is horrible. Everyone connect for now. The other one. Very glad you've got jam. Thought, yeah, paper umbrella. There was this bus later. Hello. Box. Could move in. Did you? Monday, my dad woke 17. Look at that. 2 with my become closer and closer. Don't say don't. Don't say don't.
Say some fucking gay shit. Just say something.
And it had a bright and I say I hate tomatoes. And I'm very glad you've got jam in your sam. Climbed it.
I love the feel of my
trying to kill a fly. I have to. The last time. Find confidence. Some puffed eating ones from 2 in 130 can't sell shit. After lunch shine at 44 near went grain. My eyelid out. They weren't clubbed by fridge giraffes. Does it? Those no voice times when con went brain. My 130 with my mum and dad. I on the wall. At for you mum and dad. Your mate shall just vanilla tomato. Tinned peach. I know. Lloyd. What's that? Too many. Happy birthday, Michael Rosen. Today is your day, and though we aren't with you, it is with great joy that we bring you this handcrafted gift. We hope that you have had a fantastic birthday, and that plums, lollies deep. Yours sincerely, the poor person. Strange. Tomato, paper, Charmaine and Don. Gorilla, Giraffe, Sheddle, Mr. Shed, Pedal, Sheddle, Charmaine and Don. Your watch to play us up on the face. Well, don't do it here. It's blowing away like mad. Tomato, paper, Charmaine and Don. Gorilla, Giraffe, Sheddle, Charmaine and Don. Your watch to play us up on the face. Well, don't do it here. It's blowing away like mad. None of us ever saw our money ever again.